you can see that this smartphone is locked because of forgotten pin pattern and password lock. And if you have also a smartphone which is locked by fingerprint sensor, pin pattern, password lock, then this video is very important for you if you wanna to unlock your smartphone right now. Okay, so first of all, if your smartphone is locked, you you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. But before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone's battery should not charge less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of unlock your phone. So let's start this video. First of all, you have to remove your SIM card and memory card from your phone. If you have any memory card in your smartphone, then you have to remove your memory card. Okay, after that you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode like that. After that, click emergency call here, open dialer pad and enter a background running application closed code here, and the code is *#, and this is the code here, *0000 and #. You have to take a screenshot from this code here. This is the code, and after that you have to call this code for 3 times. When you start the calling, a call failed pop-up message will come in your smartphone. You have to ignore it to click OK for 3 times and 3. After that, you have to remove this code from your mobile screen. The first step is completed. Now you have to take another important step here, and the next step is open your engineer mode page, and the engineer mode page code is *#899 and #. When you click on the last # button here, your mobile engineer mode page will come in your mobile screen like that. You have to find an option which is named manual test option. If you open this, many pages are lying here, so you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it. Okay, here all 5 options here, and all options are very important here. So you have to take first step, and the step is you have to click the 7-time mainboard version here. So I am going to complete this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, after that you have to open your read write important log test here for 3 times. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it. Click the cancel button, and you have to repeat the same process again. Click the cancel button, and in the third time you have to click it, but you have to click on OK button here, and you can see that your wrong password is going to reset now. After that, you have to click the last step, and the last step is open key status option. When you click it, after some lagging, your smartphone's password has already resetted here. As you see here, all keys are passed here, so your mobile is completely unlocked. For verification purpose, you have to click on the home button here, and you can see that, my friends, your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all Android smartphone. If your smartphone is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.